Mphumelelo Mseleku and Abongwe are only Musa Mseleku's kids who know how to make money using the opportunity to be Musa Mseleku's child, because Musa Mseleku is too famous now. When they don't use that opportunity, Musa Mseleku is still alive. They are not getting another opportunity. So Mphumelelo is making a lot of money. Even he is doing his videos on TikTok, live on TikTok. People are buying presents for Mphumelelo. Now we are going to see Mphumelelo and Mayeni. They are going to be on live on TikTok. So those people, they use that opportunity to make money using social media, because Musa Mseleku, he is trending left and right and center, and his kids, they can use the opportunity to make money. But we didn't see Sneh and Lwahle, especially Lwahle. Lwahle doesn't want attention of people because kids are different. If Musa Mseleku love attention of people or to trend on social media, yes, it's not about his kids, all of them, they want attention. The person who want more attention is Mphumelelo. Abongwe doesn't bring her whole life on television, on social media, because we didn't see Abongwe who is dating Abongwe or what. We didn't hear anything about Abongwe, or maybe Abongwe is different like other kids. We know that Abongwe is a girl, but she is wearing like a boy. But Abongwe is doing her videos, cooking. She is very good to cook food, but to bring her life, private life on social media, on television, Abongwe is not the kind of the person like him. Sneh, yes, Sneh doesn't have a problem to bring her life on social media. Sneh and Mphumelelo, yes, Lwahle can bring there and them, but not like that. Like Abongwe doesn't want to explain. Even Musa Mseleku and Macele, they didn't discuss about Abongwe. Even Musa Mseleku, we didn't hear him asking Abongwe who is dating her. It's not about she doesn't have a partner, but Abongwe is a very private person, and she concentrates with her business than other things. So kids are different, but the person who love to bring his life on social media is Mphumelelo, because Mphumelelo doesn't have a problem. Mphumelelo knows the game. The way Musa Mseleku, he is doing his own things. Musa Mseleku, he is more famous because of the reality show. That reality show, he have got Polygamy Istanbul. So most of the people in South Africa, in Africa, they don't use that a man can get married to 4 wives. Those 4 wives, they know each other, because at the first episode on season 1, we saw Musa Mseleku's wives, they go to the shops buying everything, they getting along. So most of the people, they are very interested with their content, because no one who came with that content at the first time on 2017. Musa Mseleku came with an idea to bring their life, because their life is different than other people's life. Yes, other men, married men, they are cheating with other people outside there, because he doesn't want his wife to know that he have got another girlfriend. If he want to marry another girlfriend, but Musa Mseleku, when he bring his content on television, other men now, they don't have a fear even to bring to introduce other wives. And Musa Mseleku can show people the bad side of Istanbul and the good side of Istanbul. We know that sometimes he can cry, they can fight each other, sometimes they are happy. They don't pretend sometimes, those people. And other men, they can, that sometimes if other people, they have got fear to introduce his second wife to the first wife. But Musa Mseleku was the one who started. Sometimes the other people, they don't have a fear because of Musa Mseleku. Now, most of the people, they have got Polygamy Istanbul because of Musa Mseleku, who decide to bring his life on social media. That's Mphumelelo, he is doing. He knows the game, Mphumelelo, the way Musa Mseleku started his content, because most of the people, especially when he started that business, Other wives, they have got doubt, but now they are trending left and right center.